Welcome! In this video, we're going to talk about mask pleating hacks. At this point, you should have your mask already sewn, turned, and ironed. It doesn't really matter what kind of mask pattern you're following at this point, as long as it is one that is using pleats. Jumping right into pleating, we're going to go ahead and fold our mask not quite in half, leaving about a half an inch from the bottom as we fold. Once we have that lined up, go ahead and pinch the ends and unfold it. Lay that pleat going up and then pinch again with your fingers and bring that up, not quite level with your other pleat, and then push again from the bottoms with your thumbs, leaving nice even pleats. Go ahead and put a pin about an inch from the end, starting from the bottom going up, hitting all 4 of those layers of fabric there. We want these pins far enough away from the edge, that way when we sew we don't have to take them out and not worry about them hitting the presser foot. Setting up my machine, I use a double stitch, that way I don't have to back stitch every time I get to an edge. Then I turn down the speed because getting the pleats through the feed dogs is kind of difficult. I also have been using leather needles. They're a little bit thicker than the regular ones and go through the pleats a lot easier without breaking. All that's left to do is sew your pleats. I've been doing a lot of these in batches, not so many one-on-one. So using that double stitch is really helpful for chain stitching the masks. Once both sides are sewn, take out your pins and you have a perfectly pleated mask done nice and easy. I would like to note that on this mask, I do realize that I have the same fabric pattern on both sides. I know it's best to use 2 different fabric patterns because then whoever's wearing it can establish an outside and an inside. But at this point, I'm working on all donated fabric, so I don't have much left for fabric patterns. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you'd like to see videos of the full mask making process from start to finish, I have a few videos of those, so go ahead and check out my sewing playlist. If you'd like to see more of what I do in the future, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.